Hello students, welcome to OTS. So since the JEE mains results has been declared and you might have received your common rank list. Alright, so there is another opportunity for you. In fact, it's more or less far better than many of the engineering college, right? Those who are having a bit of inclination towards the defense career and you are also inclined to have engineering as a career option. This Indian Navy 10 plus 2 BTech entry is actually a good one. So the notification has been released, right? So that's for BTech executive, or you can say that education or admin branch, right? This notification has been released. It's available on Join Indian Navy official portal as well. And the deadlines, that means you can apply between 18th of August onwards, so till 28th of August. So approximately 36 seats are there, right? That means more number of candidates will be called for SSB. Now the big question is that who can apply? Those who have passed maybe a 10 plus 2 this year or the previous year, but the mandatory condition is that you should have appeared for JEE Mains 2022, right? आपने JEE Mains 2022 का पेपर लिखा हो, right? So अब दूसरा सवाल होगा कि क्या मेरे 0 मार्क्स आए, 10 मार्क्स आए, will I be called for SSB? No, it's not the case, right? Although they mentioned that you should have appeared for JEE Mains 22 only, right? But based on the previous trends, if you talk about 5 years back, even the candidates having 4 lakh rank, 3 lakh rank used to call for SSB. उस समय शायद बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं रहा होगा इसके बारे में. But nowadays, with the last 1 or 2 years, you can check it out, and in fact we know that few of our candidates has been there, right? So जो इसकी कट ऑफ है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 58-59 के आसपास, 59,000 के आसपास है. That means कि it clearly demonstrate that many of the engineering aspirants JEE means 50,000 rank, that means the student will be a bit of genuine one, अच्छा student रहा होगा. उनको भी आजकल पता है. I remember last time there was a candidate with 7,000 rank, he also applied for this, right? So there are many candidates who might be aware, उनके background, उसके parents को पता होगा, या many of those who know the reality, what are the perks and incentive, what is the sort of training. तो आजकल लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत होती है. That's why they apply for this, and hence the competitive gets tougher. So last time it was 58,000 approximately the cut off rank. So that means कि आप मान के चलिए कि 93-94 परसेंटाइल के आसपास लास्ट टाइम थी. So that was the truth, right? You should have 70% in class 12th, right? And of course it's better than joining any of the third class engineering college. In fact I feel that कि आप जो प्राइवेट कॉलेज लेते हैं, in fact it's better than AITs as well और राष्ट्रीय रक्षा यूनिवर्सिटी as well, कि आपको +2 लेवल पे एक करियर सेट हो जाता है. दैट्स फार बेटर. इससे बेहतर कोई चीज़ हो नहीं सकती एट दिस मोमेंट. योर ट्रेनिंग, योर एक्सपेंसेस, ऑल दोज सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, एजुकेशन will be free and beared by the government of India. Apart from this, you will be getting degree from the JNU, the BTech degree more or less, right? And कोई रिटन एग्जाम है नहीं, बिकॉज आपने रिटन एग्जाम तो पहले दे दिया. IIT JEE मेंस क्वालिफाई किया, मतलब आप ठीक ठाक पढ़े लिखे होंगे. So direct SSB call you will be getting up, and you have to the SSB pattern remains same. The only thing which I can say for if you want to prepare for SSB, that is practice makes you perfect. That's the difference. There is no as such magic formula. You just practice. You should be updated enough. You should be able to deliver your thoughts. You should be able to express yourself. That's the only thing you need to do. Rest all is fine, राइट. सो अगर आपने किसी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में अभी अप्लाई भी कर रखा है, एडमिशन भी ले रहा है, या आप आगे जो सकी काउंसलिंग अटेंड करें, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. यू जस्ट अप्लाई फॉर दिस. आप इसको अप्लाई ज़रूर करें, राइट. एंड आई पर्सनली फील दैट कि जो अच्छे बच्चे हैं वो ज़रूर अप्लाई करें, ताकि कॉम्पिटिटिव भी होता है. दूसरा की क्वालिटी को अच्छे जगह मिलना चाहिए. स्टार्टिंग सैलरी इज मोर और लेस 70,000 विच इज़ गुड वन. आप देखेंगे तो अप्रॉक्सीमेट पैकेज 8 to 9 lakhs का होता है. And if you pass out from the majority of college, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, even in AITs, RRU and etc, 50,000 रैंक वाले जो भी कॉलेज है, मेजर NIT, क्या पैकेज होता है? 4 लाख, 4.5 लाख, 3 लाख. दैट्स द हार्श ट्रूथ. हाँ, ये बात है कि कॉर्पोरेट में ग्रोथ 10 साल 12 साल में अच्छी होती है, बट यहाँ भी तो है ना, लाइफ स्टाइल, एडवेंचर, स्किल्स, यू आर वर्किंग फॉर द नेशन, यू कैन से दैट द यूनिफॉर्म करियर एज सच. तो ये अपनी अपनी सोच है, जिसको जो लगता है उस हिसाब से करें. बट आई कैन जस्ट सजेस्ट इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट. अगर आप चाहते हैं, यू शुड अप्लाई. दिस इज द ओनली थिंग व्हाट आई वांटेड टू कन्वे. Any question queries, you can definitely put your comment below the video. We'll be definitely there to answer your queries. And of course, if you want any question regarding this, you can join our engineering admission 2022 telegram group. That's available below the video as well. Thank you. Good luck.